Over the years, we tried to stimulate collagen through different treatment modalities. Some of them were quite invasive and others didn't work at all. Taking collagen orally gives us the building block for stimulating collagen production, but doesn't really activate the cells that are responsible for this. Then we tried mechanical injury like microneedling. This works well, but not on its own. There are different products on the market that can be used to inject collagen into the skin, but that doesn't mean that the collagen is natural, organic, or long-lasting. Along came a new product, the biostimulator from Galderma called Sculptra. Sculptra stimulates type 1 collagen predominantly. That's baby collagen. It creates a natural lifting effect, volumization, and treats luminosity and overall quality of skin. This is something that can only be done by good collagen production. Collagen stimulation is something that happens over time. Fibroblasts start migrating into the treated areas, and collagen production starts happening from about day 10 onwards. It's long-acting, and therefore our patients only really start seeing the benefit and results of these treatments over time, usually after your second treatment. What most of them start reporting is that people are telling them that their skin is looking great. After the second treatment, they themselves start seeing a lifting effect, decrease in fine lines and wrinkles. They see an improvement in the jawline, nasolabial lines, and overall appearance of the skin being more luminous and bright.